I will begin this presentation with the name of our company. Choco Cafeteria is the chosen name as the name of our company, which was inspired by a rich chocolatey flavor that will make people drawn for its aroma and the varieties of the taste. The sweetness or bittersweet scents are all perfect for all types of chocolate lovers. In this slide, we can see the logo of our company. Life, Sweet Smile, Love Chocolate is the motto of our company that provide bakery products, beverage and desserts that are nutritious based on chocolate flavors, high qualities and halal. Besides offering a variety of cakes, drinks and desserts by a rich chocolatey flavor in terms of taste and shape with affordable prices to suit the needs of customers, especially to chocolate lovers. The word "get up, get choco, be happy" is the chosen trademark which can give positive vibes to people. Although our cafe only produces one flavor, which is chocolate flavor, but it brings an aura and a positive effect in one's life. The types of products that our company have are desserts and beverages, which are based on chocolate flavor only. For desserts category, we sell wafer, which are drizzled with dark and white chocolate sauce, add on with various toppings such as fresh fruits like strawberries, kiwi and bananas, marshmallow and Oreo. We also sell chocolate moist cakes and brownies, which we use premium chocolate as the main ingredient in these desserts. Besides, chocolate ice cream add-on with dark chocolate sauce is a basic product in our cafe. For the beverage category, we have two types of drinks, hot and cold. For cool drinks, we have iced chocolate, iced white chocolate, and iced chocolate hazelnut. While for hot drinks, we have hot chocolate and hot white chocolate.
Here to present about our business model canvas, or known as BMC. There are 9 blocks in BMC, which are key partnership, key activities, key resources, customer segments, customer relationship, value proposition, channel, revenue streams, and the last one is cost structure.
Now, I will talk about customer segments. Firstly, our target is children. Our cafe offers a variety of chocolate drinks and delicious desserts that will gain attraction among them because they really love to eat sweet. Secondly is the adults because mostly of them are working and they have their own income. We offer products at affordable pricing so that customers can enjoy the delicious taste at our cafe. Lastly is chocolate lovers, since we are serving chocolate flavored drinks and desserts, so it will boost attraction among them. Next is our value proposition. First is quality local chocolate brew. Our chocolate is more unique than the others because we only offer local chocolate with high quality and original chocolate. Secondly, all of our desserts are homemade using our own recipes. Next, the customers can choose a variety of toppings for their wafers based on their taste. Besides, all the ingredients used are fresh and halal so that all customers can enjoy at our cafe. Lastly, our cafe's concept is relaxing and comfortable vibes, so it will attract many customers to visit our cafe, especially those who are looking to relax and release the stress.
About channel. Our company uses channel outlines to communicate and reach out to various consumer segments to provide value proposition built in our cafe. By that, we use various accessible platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Through this platform, it gives us a big player to promote our product widely. The first one is we provide loyal customer membership discount to keep in touch to amazing customer in our cafe. By doing so, it gives extra benefit between two parties and build outstanding bond customer loyalty to our product and brands. For example, we give present on their birthday, and anniversary. Okay, the next point is coupon promotion, which is so valuable in commerce because it influences customer to take part in business. And we keep our coupon offer update occasionally since customers are always looking forward for it. And By this way, customer will always up to date to any coupon offered from time to time from our store. And the next point is satisfying service or customer satisfaction. We give offer the best product we have to get exquisite experience of taste from our product. Therefore, customer will give a good feedback and positive review to our product. And the last point is free gift to new customer would be a growing positive relationship as sign to celebrate them into our cafe for the first time.
The revenue stream for our cafe has first, sale of chocolate powder, second, selling snack and merchandise, and last one, service birthday party. For your information, we have cafe and also have factory chocolate powder. This factory makes chocolate powder to our cafe. So with chocolate powder, we can sell for other shop. The product in our cafe also get fresh chocolate. Then we also selling snack based chocolate and merchandise. The merchandise like kitchen, mug and other. It can develop my cafe. It also can make customer interested with our cafe. The last one, we also have service birthday party for my customers. So they can buy cake with our cafe and then we can decorate their party like what they want. Next about key resources. For our cafe have 3 key resources. First of all, physical. Physical means raw material, factory and machine. It is very important for our cafe because when we want to open cafe, we have prepare this first. After that, we can open our cafe. Secondly, human. Our cafe have workers. Before we take them to work in our cafe, we research first about their experience, which is about their expertise work. So when they have experience, we take them to work in this cafe. Lastly, about intellectual. Before we open cafe, we must know how to make chocolate cake, brownies and wafer. It's very important to make customer love our menu. We also have recipe to make them. So we can make delicious menu for our company.
Among the activities we run is a baking class from those who are interested in baking cakes and learning to make waffles, and we include classes to learn how to make ice cream and make drinks perfectly. We will train employees to make quality food while teaching them how to prepare food carefully and according to procedures. We also provide delivery services. Online purchase can be purchased through delivery. This can make it easier for customers not to have to buy our product physically. They can also buy online. We also provide website management service that customers can visit our website for more information such as online payment methods, our menu catalog, as well as honest feedback from customers in terms of our services, the taste of the products we sell, facilities provided. Among our key partners are chocolate suppliers that process in the manufacture of high quality chocolate and that want to collaborate with us, such as fruit shops, food decorations and chocolate stock wholesalers. We also collaborate with stores that sell raw materials. In this case, we'll be able to get fresh and quality products direct from the factory. We also make a contract with several organizations to find sponsors to contribute to our company.
Now, I will explain about our cost structure. It consists all expenses used when running this cafe. First, purchase raw materials. We buy the materials twice a month. It is to ensure the quality of materials always fresh. For transportation costs, it includes refueling the cars and motorcycles provided for delivery order and buy cafe's materials. Our building cafe is a rent, so we have to pay for the rental payment every month. For worker salary, it is being paid at the end of month on 26. Next, utility bills that include all expenses from the gas, water and fire. Last one, telephone bills. Some customers do reservation and make a delivery order by calling our cafe's telephone number. That's all from us. Thank you.